Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is one of the most awe-inspiring celestial bodies in our solar system. Known for its stunning rings, Saturn has fascinated astronomers, scientists, and space enthusiasts for centuries. In this detailed exploration, we'll dive deep into Saturn's unique features, its mysterious moons, and what makes this planet a giant wonder in the night sky. Saturn at a glance. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, only behind Jupiter. Its diameter is a massive 120,536 kilometers, 74,898 miles, nearly 10 times that of Earth. Saturn's composition is predominantly hydrogen and helium, classifying it as a gas giant. Unlike Earth, it lacks a solid surface and instead has a thick atmosphere that swirls with powerful winds and violent storms. Saturn's incredible rings, made of ice, rock, and dust particles, give it its signature appearance. The planet completes a rotation on its axis in just 10.7 hours, meaning one Saturnian day is less than half of an Earth day. Saturn's rings. A marvel of nature. Saturn's rings are perhaps its most iconic feature, consisting of 7 primary ring groups, labeled A to G, and thousands of smaller ringlets. These rings stretch over 282,000 kilometers, 175,000 miles, wide but are incredibly thin, only about 30 feet thick in most areas. While scientists have long debated the origin of Saturn's rings, it is widely believed that they formed from the remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons that were torn apart by Saturn's immense gravity. Each ring orbits the planet at different speeds, creating the stunning layered effect we can observe through telescopes. The rings are mostly composed of water ice, which reflects sunlight and makes them highly visible. However, some parts of the rings contain darker, rocky materials, adding to their mysterious allure. Saturn's atmosphere and climate. Saturn's atmosphere is dynamic and ever-changing. The planet experiences extreme weather patterns, with wind speeds reaching up to 1,800 kilometers per hour, 1,100 miles per hour, in its equatorial regions. These fierce winds, combined with deep clouds made of ammonia, create stunning swirling patterns on the planet's surface. Saturn is also home to enormous storms, including a massive, long-lasting storm at its north pole known as the hexagon, named after its distinct six-sided shape. Temperatures on Saturn are incredibly cold, averaging around 178 degrees Celsius, 288 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite this, Saturn radiates more energy than it receives from the Sun, a phenomenon still being studied by scientists. Moons of Saturn. Titans of the solar system. Saturn has 145 known moons, making it a king of moons in our solar system. The largest and most famous of Saturn's moons is Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury. Titan has a thick atmosphere rich in nitrogen and methane, and scientists believe it could harbor some form of life in its subsurface ocean of liquid water. Another fascinating moon is Enceladus, which is covered in ice but emits geysers of water vapor into space. These geysers are evidence of a vast ocean beneath its frozen crust, raising questions about whether life could exist deep within Enceladus waters. Other moons like Rhea, Mimas, and Iapetus have their own unique features, from cratered surfaces to unusual orbits, making Saturn's moon system a rich field of study for astronomers and astrobiologists. Saturn in mythology and culture. In Roman mythology, Saturn was the god of agriculture and time. His Greek counterpart, Cronus, was one of the Titans who ruled before the Olympian gods took over. Saturn's influence extended to naming Saturday, and many ancient cultures revered Saturn as a symbol of order and time. In modern culture, Saturn remains a symbol of mystery and wonder. Its rings and majestic appearance have inspired countless works of art, literature, and even space exploration missions. From Van Gogh's starry paintings to modern sci-fi films, Saturn continues to captivate imaginations. Future missions to Saturn, with NASA's Cassini mission having provided extensive data about Saturn, its moons, and rings. The question now is, what's next? Scientists are particularly interested in Titan and Enceladus, where the possibility of life has sparked new exploration plans. NASA's upcoming mission, Dragonfly, will send a drone to Titan, scheduled to launch in 2027. This rotorcraft will fly across Titan's surface, studying its chemistry and atmosphere in search of signs of life. The European Space Agency is also planning future missions that could further explore Saturn's system. Fun facts about Saturn: Saturn is so light that it could float in water if a large enough body of water existed. A year on Saturn lasts over 29 Earth years. The planet's magnetic field is 578 times more powerful than Earth's. Saturn's hexagonal storm could fit nearly 4 Earths within its boundaries. Why Saturn still fascinates us: Saturn, with its massive rings and mysterious moons, represents one of the most beautiful and enigmatic planets in our solar system. Its unique features continue to captivate both scientists and the general public. As we look ahead to future missions that could unlock more secrets about Saturn, it's clear that this gas giant will remain a subject of fascination for generations to come. If you found this deep dive into Saturn fascinating, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more space-themed content. This video was crafted using cutting-edge artificial intelligence, designed to bring you the most up-to-date and detailed space exploration information. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest discoveries. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more cosmic wonders.